Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Sharon.
They call me Jack.
And welcome back to our channel. Thank you guys so much for your continued support and watching and giving the likes and subscribing. We really appreciate that. I'm gonna ask my buddy here to be serious today.
Okay.
Because this is an emotional one for me. I'm not gonna cry. Don't worry, I'm not gonna be a crybaby. But it is something that is dear to me, and we'll be back with financial tip number 8.
Y'all see this crybaby over here? Well, he's suffering from a broke millionaire mindset, just like some of you. So we got some not so average financial tips for you, to fix your thinking. But make sure you hit the subscribe button first, so we can keep them coming your way. We gonna be in your face.
Financial tip number 8. Know your why. The reason why you are seeking financial success. You have to know your reason why. And I want you guys to watch this little clip right here, and that tells you why I do all that I do. Watch this.
Guys, let me tell you something. If you are ever trying to become successful, you have to know your why. Because if you don't know why you're doing what you're doing, you're never going to make it, because you're going to face so many obstacles. My why is my mom. The woman that did everything that she could do to make sure that I had a good life. And I'm going to make certain that she has the best that life has to offer.
When I was a little girl, my mom always sacrificed. She had 3 little girls. I was the oldest of the 3. There was always 1 plate, but 4 mouths to feed. What my mom would do, she would always get a plate of grits. If you live out in the country, down here in the South, grits is the thing. We know that, okay? It fills you up. We didn't have much at all, but my mother never let us go to bed hungry. She would have 3 little girls. My youngest would always be sitting on our lap. I would be standing on one side and my other sister on the other side. And she would have a plate of grits, and butter, 2 eggs, and she would go around and around. Feed one, feed the other, feed the other. And she would go around that circle until, and I know some of you hate that sound, I'll try not to do that, until there's just one little circle of grits in the middle. And she would cut that into 3 pieces and give each of us a scoop. 4 mouths, but only 3 were fed, because my mom always went without. Cut! I said I wasn't gonna cry, so I'll be back, damn it. Let me tell you guys, if there is something that you desire, know why you're doing it, okay? Know why you're doing it, because if you do know your why, and it's gotta be something that's from the heart, that it can't be, oh, I wanna quit my job. That's because the minute you face an obstacle, you're right back on it, okay? You're gonna stop doing whatever it takes to make your dream a reality, because it's not a strong enough why, okay? My why was my mom. I am determined and have always been ever since I was a little girl, because my mom went without eating most days. Most days. Just so we could eat? Do you think I'm not going to do whatever the hell I can do to make sure that I give her the best life that I can possibly give her? I don't care what anyone says about me. I don't care if they think I'm making an ass of myself on video. I'm going to do whatever it takes because my why is everything for me. That's all I need, my why. And for those of you who are trying to give it your all, you have your why, your real why. Not just some bull, but a real why. Then you're going to make it. Okay? I know I went off, overboard maybe, but I don't care. I'm not a professional. I'm just me. So I'll see you guys on the next video. That's all I really wanted to get across today. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to hit subscribe. Leave a comment. All right? Thank you so much for your support. But I'm going to continue to do what I want to do to make sure that I reach my desired goal or success level. Okay? See you guys on the next video.